So for the second part, we're going to add the elements of the citation. To do this, we're going to flip back and forth between this tab and this MLA guide, formatting guide, and the article itself and the citation. Okay, so back and forth between the NoodleTools page and the citation. We had copied this permalink when we went to the get link box. And so that's the first thing I'm going to put in, this URL to my source. I'm also going to put in the name of the database. Remember, we were in opposing viewpoints. And if I start typing in opposing viewpoints, I get the choice. So I don't have to type it all in. So Galen context, opposing viewpoints. And these things are highlighting as I go. DOI is not necessary. It's not highlighted up here. The date of access is also not highlighted, but we always want to add that. Your teacher wants to see it. So that's one of the things that are important to add. We're just looking at a chapter or a section of this so-called book online. So I'm going to see if there's an author. It's in English. I don't think there's a translator, but here's my author. First thing, first name, Michelle Smith, and I'm going to just plug her into the end, and then I'm going to take her name, and I'm going to drag it over there, delete the comma. So Michelle Smith is my author. First thing in the citation. First thing in the citation. Second thing is going to be my article or section title. And that goes here. So notice the second thing. And I get this suggestion box and this caution sign immediately. And it says that I should capitalize, most likely, all of these words. So this is the type of correction that would be necessary that you might not realize is needed. But the database, NoodleTools actually shows you what to fix. So it kind of teaches you as you go. So even though there's all these boxes and it's a bit overwhelming, you can fix your citation, your suggestion box goes away, your caution symbol goes away, and we're good to go. If there are page numbers, next element, if there are page numbers, then they come right before the name of the database. So let's look in here, and Gale in context is my database name. The only thing in front of that looks like a year, 2020, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. The book itself. If there's an author, then it comes right after the title of the book. The title of the book is in italics, and it comes after the title of the section. So all I see is the title of the book in italics. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put it into the title of my book. And then the volume numbers, publisher is the first thing I think we have, because I didn't see any numbers between the title of the book and the publisher. Gale 2020, that's my publisher and my year. So my publisher, 2020 is my year. And then all this other stuff, it's not even included. So I'm not going to worry about it, and you shouldn't either. We can get rid of this MLA guide, save the citation, and under 5 minutes, I've done this citation. You can too. If you have questions or you need any help, please come and see me in the library or send me an email. I will be reviewing these with your teacher, so I can give you some feedback in NoodleTools, but it will add it to your list alphabetically, and the one that you add will always be highlighted. All right? Have fun citing your sources. Good luck. Let me know if you need anything.